Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Student, in the previous two lectures we have learnt about the story of Ali Baba and the 40 thieves. Now today we will learn some difficult words, their meanings, word sentences and question answer. So let's start our today's work. Our first topic is dictation words. Here are some difficult words, you have to learn their spellings. Our first word is treasure, second appeared, third gleaming, fourth woodcutter, five reach. You have to learn the spellings of these words. Our next work is words meanings. Here are some difficult words. We have to learn and write their meanings. First, treasure mean खजाना, appeared mean जाहिर हुआ, gleaming mean चमकदार, woodcutter लकड़हारा, rich अमीर. After the words meaning, we have learned some word sentences. Tied बांधा हुआ. The horse is tied with a tree. घोड़ा दरख्त के साथ बांधा हुआ है. Clever चालाक. Ali is a clever man. Cave गार. Lion lives in cave. शेर गार में रहता है. Gleaming चमकदार. The stars are gleaming. सितारे चमक रहे हैं. Coin सिक्का. I have a coin of 10 rupees. मेरे पास 10 रुपए का सिक्का है. G class, after word sentences we have learned our question answers. Our first question is, who were Ali Baba and Qasim? Ali Baba और Qasim कौन थे? Student, we have learned about Ali Baba and Qasim in detail. Our unit number 7. So answer is, Qasim was a rich merchant and Ali Baba was a poor woodcutter. Qasim एक अमीर ताजिर था और अली बाबा एक गरीब लकड़हारा था. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, व्हाट मैजिक वर्ड्स मेड द रॉक मूव? किन जादुई अल्फाज से चट्टान ने हरकत की? द आंसर इज ओपन सेसमी, खुल जा सिम सिम. आर क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इज, नेम द ट्रेजर्स अली बाबा सा इनसाइड द केव. ख़जाने का नाम बताएं. ख़जाने में क्या क्या शामिल था जो अली बाबा ने गार के अंदर देखा? आंसर इज, he saw gold and silver jewelry, coins, glasses and plates. उसने सोने और चांदी के जेवरात, सिक्के, शीशे और प्लेटें देखीं.